When cleaning your induction cooker, first remove the power plug from the socket. Immediately switch off your induction cooker in the case of an error alert on the control panel. Do not touch the top of the induction cooker after cooking. It might be hot. Do not place the unit near open fire or in a hot environment. Use only the included power cord. Do not modify the power cord. Do not use the top of the induction cooker as a chopping board or use it as an extended kitchen surface because it might break the glass surface. When cooking, do not place your wooden or silicone spoon on top of the glass surface. Instead, put them on the side as it might heat up. Before unplugging it from the socket, make sure you power it off first. Wait for the glass surface to cool down before cleaning. It might be hot. Do not immerse the power plug or the induction cooker in water. Ensure you wipe spills immediately they happen to avoid buildup of dirt, which may become hard to clean. When cleaning the glass surface, use a soft cloth. Do not use steel wire or detergent or harsh abrasive that may scratch the surface. For tough stains, use your soft cloth and hot water to clean the glass surface. Remember to clean your air vent to ensure there's no buildup of dirt that may prevent air circulation. Maintain hygiene in your kitchen to prevent cockroaches and other insects from entering your induction cooker through the vents. In case you have cockroaches and insects, you can use an insect repellent to manage them. In case of any other issues, reach us on our customer care line and we shall advise accordingly.